Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 10 build 9909. Now we're mixing things up a bit, we've checked out Windows 8 build, so it's time to check out Windows 10 build. Also, it is 8:34 p.m. Oh my gosh, I don't know how long I'll have, but hopefully it's pretty good. Anyway, we're going to be creating a brand new virtual machine. Really nice here. We're going to create our nice virtual machine. We're going to make a typical virtual machine. Actually, no, we'll do custom. We're going to do 14. Yeah, we're going to pick Windows 10 64-bit. Windows 10 build 9909. Windows 10 build 9909. Click on next. We're going to be doing BIOS, because we're going to be giving it 2 CPU cores but with 1 CPU, We're going to be giving it 8 gigs of RAM. Don't use a network connection. We're going to be using SATA. Create a virtual disk, all that great stuff. Put in our CD for 9909. These are Windows 8 builds after all. We do not want Windows 8 builds. We want not Windows 8 builds. There's all the Windows 8 builds there. Oh boy, we're gonna have to go to Modern 7Z Win 10. We're gonna have to grab 9909, close up that, finish, and there we go. Now we're going to be back. I will be back. Where's my mouse cursor? Here it is. I'll be back. Alright, so we're gonna have to set the BIOS state, which, oh wait, I forgot to explain this build. This is a Windows 10 build. It's a Windows 10 build. It was leaked on January 29th, 2015. It was compiled on December 13th, 2014, and the timeline was October 1st, 2015. So we'll just set it to 2015. Anyways, if you've seen my videos on other Windows 10 builds, I guess you could track along. So, we're going to spam F2. I know I usually do UEFI, but I don't know. We're gonna see how many times we are done 9909. We've actually only, this is the first time we're checking out 9909. I thought we did it before. I think that was 9901, or something. Anyways, we are going to go over here, and we are going to set this to 2015. 2015. We're also going to be putting the CD-ROM drive at the top, just in case we need that. And we're going to exit saving changes. Okay, we're gonna press enter twice. This is about 3 times actually. Anyways, this is Exploring Series episode 149. We're almost at 150 episodes, everyone. That is actually crazy. That is actually crazy. So we're now booting up into the virtual machine, and we should get the new boot screen. Well, not the new boot screen. It's obviously the same boot screen. I thought this was a Windows 8 build for a second. But anyways, we've got the boot screen, and it instantly crashed. Oh boy. I wonder what is happening here. Let's see. Bugs and quirks. What on earth is happening? So once we try booting, we get an error, which is very, very not cool. Press enter. Your PC device needs to be repaired. Can we try startup options? Press F8 for startups. What is happening? Let me do some research real quick. I will be back. Alright, let's try this. We have tried making it a SATA disk. Not SATA. We're trying making an IDE instead of SATA. Hopefully that works. I really hope that works. And it doesn't work. Great. Cool. It does not work. I'll be back. Yeah, I will be back. Alright, so apparently the system date is not set properly. What is happening? What do you mean the system date isn't set? Bro, what? I can't boot into the thing. Just why is this VMware doing this? Please, I just want to boot into the. It's set to 2015. You know what? We'll try 2014. We will try 24. Wait, but that makes no sense. What the heck? Okay, we'll try 12, 23, 2014. 2014. There we go. There's 2014. Exit saving changes. Wait. Yes, there we go. Okay, my date was set to July though. What on earth? Okay, now, will it boot? Oh boy, we got a fault has occurred, causing the CPU to, bro, what is happening? Genuinely, what is happening? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? I'll be back. Alright everyone, welcome back! So apparently I messed up big time with this virtual machine, so let's remake the virtual machine. I'll be back, because I set it to BIOS instead of UEFI. Yay! Alright, welcome back. We have remade the virtual machine. Now we are going to boot into the UEFI. Hello. UEFI. There we go. I can now go into the shell. Take me to the shell. What the hell? Oh, yeah. Oh my, the shell is broken. Okay, there we go. Date. That is not a command, guys. Oh my god. S-date is not working, guys. The shell is incredibly buggy. Okay, so we gotta set this to 2015. I don't know if that did it. Date. Yes, it does. It has worked. Now we can type in. We can type in exit to save changes. Now we are going to boot normally. I think we gotta reset the system. I think that that just shut it down. Don't think I was supposed to do that. Anyways, let's try booting up back. Let's try booting back up. And press a key to boot from CD or USB. It did not work. Boot normally. Press a key. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? It didn't even boot. What did it say? Oh. Alright guys, we're gonna boot off the hard drive. Why? Why is it doing? Alright, restart. Let's go. Restart the computer. Alright, now, please. What is happening? Did it say unsupported firmware? What did it say? It's not even booting the ISO. Unsupported something. I don't know what it said. Boot normally. boot normally. Unsupported. What is happening? Genuinely. It is now 9:08. It is going horrible right now. I don't know. It is genuinely not going. Oh my gosh, no. What do you mean a component has expired? Bro, the date is set to 2015. Okay, you know what? We're setting it to December 2014. Why? Just why? I don't get it. I don't get it. I genuinely do not get it. Bro, if this doesn't work, we're gonna try again later. I don't know. This might be an everything goes wrong video. I think like this is gonna be an everything goes wrong video. I'm just saying this is gonna be an everything goes wrong video. And yep, the VM just crashed. Cool. Yeah. So that's the end of the video. I've tried everything. I've tried for so long. I don't think it's gonna work. Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed. There's no music in this video at all because I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. This video's just been horrible. Alright, so actually we're gonna try again tomorrow, but on real hardware. So I'll see you in the next clip, which should be on real hardware. So yeah. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the next day. Yeah, you thought I was gonna say the next video. No, it's the same video. But anyways, today we've got the Dell Inspiron 5566 because we're continuing this on real hardware, like I said. So let's boot up the computer, and we're gonna spam F12. I'm just hoping that we have. Oh yes, we're gonna have to do something, huh? I mean, it's on UEFI. We're gonna have to change boot mode settings. Legacy boot, yeah. Confirm. Oh boy, I shouldn't have done. I mean, I don't know if I should have done UEFI. Oh, I'm gonna have to change the date to F2. Yes, we're gonna have to change the date. We are going to have to change the date and time. We're gonna have to set this to 2015. Why is it 2020? Guys, I don't think it's 2020. Alright, so 12. Alright, 12, 17, 14. Yeah, 12, 17, 14. Sure, we'll do that. Exit. And then we're gonna spam F12. Now we can spam F12 because it should work now. Oh my gosh, the screen is so glossy. Okay, we're gonna boot back up. Okay, there we go. Now we can boot off of USB storage device. And there we go. It is now booting. I hope this actually boots up, please. It didn't work in the virtual machine, so I hope we can get to the installer. I'll be back when something. Oh wait, we got the spinning wheel, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, we are at the installer. Okay. Alright, so I converted the partition into MBR before we started this, so yeah, that's great. Alright, anyways, we're now going to install now. Setup is starting. I don't know if we need a product key or not. I don't know. I mean, BetaWiki has them, but I don't know if we need it for a clean install. So next, custom. Yes, let's do this. Next. Okay, we are on copying Windows files now. Okay, I hope things go right. I hope. I don't know. But, yeah. So I'll be back when something interesting happens. Okay, so we are back, and let's try this again. Alright, we're booting up. I think it blue screen, so it's restarting now. Anyways, we are now booting back up, and oh boy, this isn't good. Enter. Come on. Oh, come on, it blue screened. Welcome back. We've got our good old friend, the HP Pavilion G6. Yeah! Alright, anyways, we're not gonna try it on this computer. Because, I mean, it really should work. I don't know if I'm pressing F9. Am I? What am I pressing? This is F9. Perfect. Ah, yes, the sound of the DVD drive. Hello? Why are we on a black screen? We're doing something. Oh, I don't know what this is. Is this the installer or is this Windows 8? I have a feeling this is Windows 8. I really have a feeling this is Windows 8. And yeah, it's Windows 8. This is Windows 8. No, I don't care. I don't want to activate Windows. Why do I have to activate Windows? Oh, that was fast. That was really fast. That shut down really quickly. Wow, okay. Welcome back, everyone. We just have a mouse cursor. Yeah, we just have a mouse cursor. We haven't even got. Oh, there we go. There's the setup. Install now. I mean, I think this computer has only USB 2.0, so. Well, yeah, that's gonna be pretty interesting, huh? Pretty interesting. Okay, we're gonna accept the license terms. We're gonna do a custom install, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to format the partition. Format, yes. And it's formatted. Okay, let's hope that this doesn't blue screen. Please do not blue screen. Please. This is running an i3 2350M. Come on. If you guys haven't seen this laptop on my channel at all, I mean unless you're a new, if you're a new viewer, you probably don't even know who I am. But if you've watched my channel before and you haven't seen this laptop, this is the HP Pavilion G6. And you should probably go watch about it. I'll link the video I made on this laptop in the description down below, because I mean, it's a great laptop. I'll also link the video about the Dell Inspiron 5566 down below, because it's also a great laptop for experiments. Obviously not for daily use, but it's good for experiments. So yeah, anyways, I'll be back when something interesting happens once again. So yeah. Alright, so like, it was on the boot screen, but I don't know what was happening. What? Oh, you know what? Alright, we're gonna force power it off. Turn it back on. Come on. I didn't know if it was safe to turn it off, but we're gonna try. We will try. I should probably plug the USB back in. There you go. Okay. So we are on this boot screen. Now, when I wasn't recording, I saw something on the screen. Okay, what was that? What was that? That is actually crazy. I think it's installed, but we're stuck on the boot screen. I don't know what is happening. I'm gonna do some research and I'll be back. Never mind. Okay, so we're now here. We are not going to connect to a network. Can I not skip this step? Oh my gosh, we're in the out-of-box experience. So yeah, we're at the out-of-box experience now. So we're gonna be using express settings. Yeah, let's just go and use express settings. Sure, why not? For the account name, we're going to put 7zeb, because as we know, 7zeb is truly my username on YouTube. Finish. finalizing your settings. Awesome. Now let's hope that we can boot. I want to be able to boot up. Hi. We're setting things up for you. Is this gonna be the Windows 10 one or the Windows 8 one? I don't know. I don't even know what the new features of this build are. Oh, it's the Windows 8 one. Let me go also research what new features are in this build, because we're exploring this, you know? I mean, sure, everything went wrong until this point, but we're gonna be exploring this build, obviously. It's called an exploring video, so I'll be back once we're logged in and stuff anyway, so yeah. I welcome you to Windows 10 Build 9909. We finally have it installed. Yes, after an entire day of trying, we have it installed. Anyways, let's try out the search thing. So Cortana is not going to work because we need a Microsoft account and we did not sign into a Microsoft account. We cannot connect to the web. What is that logo? What is this? We've got a goofy eye logo. We've got the old recycle bin icon. That's pretty nice. And what have we got pinned? We've got, well, this. Add a desktop view. You can add a desktop, obviously. And now we have two desktops. We've got Internet Explorer. Why is the disk drive open? Anyways, yeah, we've got Internet Explorer, which won't work because we're not on the internet. Close all tabs, Internet Explorer. We've got File Explorer with this cursed icon. What is this icon, bro? What is this icon? And what else have we got? We've also got the Microsoft Store, which is a store. So yeah, it probably will not work because, well, yeah. Let's take a look at the, oh wait, they didn't add the Action Center yet, so pretty interesting actually. They did not add that. We've got the battery, which looks a bit strange. We've got the internet. What the hell is that? What was that sound, bro? That sound was crazy. No, we don't hear it again. That's nice. Let's go to sound settings. It has returned to the Windows 7 one. It obviously does not work. It was set to something very strange. That's the default sound. Here's the preview of the Action Center. It's the notifications. And here's this, which is the Windows 7 one. I think they just took the Windows 7 desktop or whatever. Here's the Task Manager, which is obviously the Windows 8 Task Manager. I mean, it's pretty normal. It's Task Manager. And now we're going to finally check out the start menu, because we're going to stop waiting. Here it is, guys. If we try full screening, oh yeah, apparently there's a bug if you try full screening it. Let's watch this. Apparently desktop icons would like literally glitch. I don't know. It doesn't seem to me like it's doing that. Yeah, I don't think it is. Okay, cool. We're going to get rid of this. But yeah, this is the old start screen, everyone. We cannot scroll down without the without doing, well, this. Or we could actually, no, we need to use the keyboard to do this, bro. What if we okay, we gotta open up PC settings. So let's see if that works. So we'll search up PC, we'll search up settings. Here is settings, Microsoft applications, and oh my gosh, it's slow. Actually, I don't know if it even opened. Okay, can we open up settings? There's the settings app. This is the brand new settings app. As you can see, it's pretty new. Yeah, this is an early preview for it. If we go to devices, we're at devices, system, If we try to like, we got a bunch of options like battery saver, storage sense. We've got this, which is date and time settings, you know, pretty normal. Ease of access. We've got personalization, which doesn't really work that well, I guess. I don't know. Backgrounds, lock screen, and this. But you can also see the control panel. If we do personalize, yeah, it is yeah, we have this still. This, I don't think this was in Windows 10. No, this was not in Windows 10. This was not in Windows 10. Also, the desktop wallpaper is still called Harmony. Yeah, they never changed this in Windows 8. Or maybe they did, I don't know. But they haven't changed it. It's still called Harmony, which is, which is pretty strange. So, yeah. Let's open up WinVer. If we, we're gonna open up a nice little WinVer. Press enter. Here it is. Here's WinVer. We're going to now also open up. Why does the CD drive keep opening? Also, oh my god, I'm trying to move the window and it just does that. This build is so weird. Okay, there we go. Now if we open up the, wait, we gotta open up computer properties, because we need to grab that view, this PC properties. There we go. There's not even a logo there, man. Not even a logo. We're going to be closing Explorer. Open up the start menu. Oh wait, we can't even see WinVer. Get down here, WinVer. And you can get like up here. Oh no, I did not mean to full screen that. Get up here, but do not full screen. Put WinVer on top, the big WinVer, and here it is. Here's our thumbnail shot, guys. Anyways, yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share with your friends. Comment down below what you want to see next. And make sure to blame the London and North Eastern Railway for all your Windows problems. I'm 7Zeb, and I'll see you in the next video.